if you'd like to pause the video, otherwise we are going to get started. So we've got a fraction in bracket and we've got quite a complicated indice outside. So two things to notice about this: we've got a negative and we've got a fraction. Now students traditionally seldom remember what a negative does or what a fraction does. So I'm going to just draw a bigger indice here, and then I can just do some quick notes to remind us what these mean. That negative there, okay, will flip or find the reciprocal of the number that, or the base number, the number that we are doing to the power of minus 3/4. Okay, this 4 here will find the fourth root. Okay, if it was a number 2, it'd be a square root, 3 would be a cube root, but a 4 would be the fourth root. And finally, this 3 here is just a normal power, so that will just be to the power of 3. Okay, so we're going to do the first one. Okay, we're going to do the negative first on this fraction. Now that means flip. Now if it's just the number 8, it becomes 1/8. Okay, because technically the number 8 is the same as 8/1. Okay, any number, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1000, is just that number over 1. So when we flip it, it becomes 1 over that number. It's a fraction already, so all we need to do is flip it. So 256 over 81. That's dealt with the negative, but we've still got the 3/4. Okay, that's fine. That's not bad for a first step. Now, the next step is we need to find the fourth root of both the top and the bottom. Okay, so I need to find the fourth root of 256, and I need to find the fourth root of 81. Okay, and then we're still going to have to cube our answer. So, what the best way or easiest way to do is just pick some really small numbers, okay, and for the fourth root, if you end up with a semi-small number, and 256 is not a very big number, then I just go through all the low numbers and think, right, what could it be? So if it's 2 to the power of 4, is that going to be 256? Well, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, so that's not quite big enough yet. 3 to the power of 4, so 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. There we go, that's the bottom one sorted. And then 4 to the power of 4, so it's slightly harder. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64, times 4 is 256. So normally then they're quite nice with the numbers they give you. I would say that the numbers here are probably as hard as you're going to get. So that top one is 4 and that bottom one is 3. And the last step is to cube the top and bottom. So it becomes 4 cubed over 3 cubed. Now I know 4 cubed is 64 and 3 cubed is 27. So as a top-heavy fraction, it's going to be 64 over 27. Now you might need to write that as a mixed number, or it might not matter on the exam. Sometimes they'll say, write your answer as a mixed number, but normally as long as you've got either a top-heavy fraction or a mixed number, then that's fine. On the website you have to leave it as a top-heavy fraction, but in the exam, as I said, they're a little bit more flexible with the way you write your answer. Try and simplify it if possible as well.